Hey guys, here is your instructions for your next research project. This one is going to be collaborative, just like the limericks, the book of limericks, so everyone's going to be working in the same document. So regardless of what grade you're in, this U.S. States research project is the same, so I'm just using 6th grade Mrs. Gregg's class as an example. So you're going to open up your assignment. The first is just a beautiful map of the US of A. Our second slide is where you are going to claim one state at a time. You're going to type your name next to the state. Now here's the deal. I could see this getting a little bit crazy if everyone tries to rush on and work really fast and makes mistakes and is hitting enters and backspaces and all this stuff. It could kind of get messed up. So do not forget your backspace button, or your undo button, excuse me. Also, you should be able to see when someone's cursor, which means their blinking line, is somewhere. That means they have claimed that state. So don't try to, type your name faster than theirs or whatever. Okay, so for example, let's say we're going to do obviously some research about all of the 50 states. Now look at right here. It says 52 because I have 1 and 2. Those are both title slides over here. See this 1 and this 2. So really our states start on slide 3. So that's why this number goes down to 52. Okay, let's say we all know that I like Kentucky. I'll find this one. Okay, so I find Kentucky. I'm going to hit a space. I can put a hyphen and then my name. Okay, maybe I'll make that a little bigger. There we go. So Kentucky is claimed by Mrs. Callahan. That means it's on number 19. That means I am on slide 19 for Kentucky. So I go down here to slide number 19. Right here. State name. Capital. Kentucky. My name over here. Okay. Our template is set up for us here. Gallery is just here. You're going to put in 3 different pictures of Kentucky or things to do with Kentucky. Could be the state flower, the state bird, a place that a lot of people go and visit, like a tourist attraction, something important that this state has to offer. And obviously I'm going to find those things by researching. Okay, I want your highlights or your facts done first, because if I put something, a special mountain range or something that Kentucky has to offer, then obviously it would be a good idea to put a picture of that here. Okay, your map, you're going to insert or try to insert either a picture of the state. You could, so you could Google or search up a map or a visual of kind of where that state is on, in terms of where it is in the U.S. So you could do, some people do like a road type map, some people do a physical map to show like rivers and mountain ranges, so whatever kind of works. If you do just the state, kind of what it looks like, that's okay, but here's a larger, visual of what Kentucky looks like, or whatever state you're doing. Highlights here, you're going to research and put 5 different facts. They should be complete sentences. We should not be using it is, things like that. Okay, don't choose the first 5 facts that come, to your mind. If you already know something, if you know the capital or you know something about that state, then try to research something you don't know. So we're going to use our Explorer option. And I could put in, I could just start with Kentucky. Okay, and here we go. Here's some things about it. Governor, I could learn more on Google. I could come to Wikipedia, come to some different websites. Okay, and research equals reading, remember. After I'm done with all of my facts, I need to replace these images. So remember, we're not going to just insert, we have to replace them. So I'm going to click on it, and I could go up to here to replace image and search the web. Okay, here's some different, now just searching Kentucky is not going to give me a whole lot. This, obviously, basketball team, I could put that in there. But if I research something, maybe Kentucky State flower. Okay. Now, I don't want to just look at one, because look at, there's different flowers on here. So I'm not going to just research or put an image of this without knowing what it is. But what I could do, if I wanted to research what the state flower is, I could explore and say Kentucky's state flower. Okay, goldenrod here. So I know it's the goldenrod, and then I could research an image of the goldenrod, Kentucky state flower, something like that. Okay. To give you an example of the map, I would click on here and replace image, search the web, and I could put Kentucky on a map if I wanted. So here is a picture of the U.S. with Kentucky highlighted in red. Here's a picture, of just kind of Kentucky. It'll say some, looks like some, I'm going to click replace. I'll replace with this one. Looks like some different cities. Okay, you can see Louisville on there, Lexington, Frankfurt, the capital. Okay, so that works there. If I want to change this one, I'm going to do that same thing again. Replace, search the web. You can do Kentucky map. Okay, if you would rather show it where it is in the U.S., then replace it with this one. Okay, looks good. I know it doesn't quite fit all the way on there, but if you double click, this is called cropping. You could move this and I believe it will get smaller and be able to fit on there. Maybe not. Nope. Let's just undo. Undo is a beautiful thing if we mess up. There we go. Okay, I know there's not a ton of room, but I wanted to leave room for your facts this way. If and when you finish, let's say I'm done with Kentucky, I've researched 5 good things, I have 3 pictures that represent Kentucky, I have my map, I'm good to go. The background and everything is going to stay like this, that way all of our 50 states look the same. If I get done, then I'm going to go back up here and find another one that is not done. We're going to have, we're going to try to have everyone do 2, maybe some people will get to do 3. Doesn't have to all be done today, but this is going to be a good start. And then I'll find another one. Let's say Colorado's not taken. I'll put my name there. Make that bigger for you. Okay, and then I would go to slide number 8 and do that same exact thing for Colorado. State name here, my name, 5 facts, that type of stuff. Okay, hopefully there should be no fights or no issues about who gets what state. Pick a state that you don't know a lot about. That would be a great idea so you can learn a little bit more. And have some fun. Be good today, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.